Winding through some of the most rugged and breathtaking terrain in British Columbia, the Kettle Valley Railway was more than just a line of steel. It was the lifeline that connected the Okanagan to the rest of Canada. Built in the early 1900s, this railway carved its way through mountains, forests, and canyons, a feat of engineering and determination. It carried fruit from the Okanagan orchards, copper from the mines of the Boundary, and passengers eager to see the growing heart of BC. The KVR was known as one of the toughest railways ever built, battered by landslides, fires, and floods. Crews worked year-round to keep the trains running through snow-choked passes along cliffside trestles that still leave you in awe today. What remains is a journey through history, the sound of our tires tracing the same path where steam locomotives once echoed through the valleys. It's a trail that tells the story of connection, perseverance, and the people who built the Okanagan's link to the world.
We pulled over and we are in search of an old station that's along the Kettle Valley Railway. We were here a couple of years ago and we did find a foundation. We're going to see if we can find it again. So far we haven't had any luck. So we pulled over but this whole area is flat. And a lot of times you'll see old rock walls that were built. And some of the ones that we found have had...
Like in our previous KVR video we did last year, we found that one big foundation, right? And had that big rock foundation wall along with it.
Yeah.
So I do kind of remember finding that here last time too, but...
And it's not where it says it is on the map. I do, like Dan recalls having to get out and walk a little bit because
yeah, it's never
the waypoint on the map.
Done, right?
Yeah, it's usually off by 100 meters or so sometimes. So anyway, out we go.
So I was just trudging through the bush here looking for the station, which was the Lorne station.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the spot it said it was on the map. And it makes sense. I mean, there's Carm there. That's where the KVR is. So the train went past. This would be the stop here. And it's perfectly nice and flat in here. It's like the flattest part. And it's got newer trees in it. And there's this one spot right in front here where it's all kind of like one long hump. You can see it there. It goes all the way along there. And it's nice and straight. So I think I'm pretty much walking right inside where the foundation was. Okay.
We were in the wrong spot.
Totally.
Well, not totally. We were
about 100 meters off.
Yeah.
But what you said, right?
Yeah.
So where we just were, it was all flat. We thought it was. I'm like, I remember we had to get out and like really climb into the trees.
Yeah.
Check it out. Okay, here we go. So I'm driving past. I'm like, oh man, I just got to see something. It's just killing me. So there's this little hump here, it's off the road, and this little kind of trail I saw, sort of. And ta-da! There we go. Lorne Station.
I remember this now.
Yeah. So.
Isn't this where I found the spork?
No.
No.
That was the one on the other side of the KVR by
Joy Station.
By Carmi.
Right.
So
Very
yeah,
cool.
this is Lorne Station. So there's the old concrete foundations. Yeah. And a few odds and ends.
Looks like there's a fire at one point.
Yeah. Well, maybe somebody had a fire here in the wintertime.
Maybe.
And a little, what looks like maybe a root cellar, maybe?
Huh?
Like, I don't know what they use these stations for up here, but...
Tools and stuff, stops along the way, workers.
Knock, knock.
I don't think anybody's home.
Comfy.
Right.
And then just under here, I was looking, an old ladder. See it?
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, little odd pieces of metal and whatnot.
I wonder what this was. What's
know.
with all the metal?
Hard to say. Could have been roofing.
I don't know.
There's some old piping for the stove here. I mean, they would have had to use metal roofs up here for the snow to come off easy, right?
I guess.
So a metal roof would make sense so the snow would just slide off.
This is super cool. Look, there's like old bed springs down there.
Let's check this out. There's a window. Was there a basement suite in here?
Your spot. Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, you can see there was a window on the opposite
On
side
the other side
too.
over there.
So maybe there was sort of a crawl space underneath. I don't know.
And then you see where kind of the chimney and stuff used to come up
Yeah.
over
Well, see
there.
this little root cellar piece here looks like it could have been a root cellar.
Could have been.
It's concreted off. It's separate from everything else, so I can't see them having a basement in there. But the windows, kind of weird.
Good find.
So many people travel past here and have no idea.
No, they don't. How many people do? Like
Yeah.
this, it's a very well-traveled trail. And most people are just doing the trail and drive right past all of this stuff and don't even realize the history that's up here. So.
Yeah, well, I mean, this railway ran from the 1890s, right, all the way up to 1986.
Yeah, long time.
So, anyway, yeah, really cool find. So I guess we'll carry on.
Carry on, see where it takes us next.
Cheers.
We've driven down this road before a couple of times, but I saw something that I've
Oh my
never
gosh.
seen before.
I see it now.
So this is
You know why? Because there's snow on it. That's the only reason I can see it
only
now.
reason, because I don't know if you can see it down there, but I think that's the only reason we saw it now. That is the remains of an old trestle.
So it must have went straight across over here, and this road was put in afterwards.
Yeah, it was built up. That's cool. We can't get down there though. I'm not climbing down those rocks. What a cool find. Can't believe we found that.
Can't believe we've never seen it before.
I just happened to leave. I'm like, wait a minute.
Wow, that's so cool. So it went straight across, there to there.
Yeah.
So this corner was never here before.
So down further, right?
Mhm.
Where that old corral was.
Oh.
And it's kind of that pull out right there.
Yeah, yeah.
That weird angle. That must have been right where it went.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
'Cause that is just right around the corner there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Another great find for today.
So
That's two.
Well, even though it's raining, I'm getting hungry. We're going to go have some lunch.
Might make a cup of coffee. It's getting cold. I think it's only like 4 degrees up here, so it's actually not really rained so much as kind of sleet.
Found a little bit of snow for the first time this year.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
awesome.
Cool. All right.
Let's do it.
Cool find.
Ooh, we're boiling now.
All right. So we were getting hungry. Even though it's raining, we're going to have a little bit of a
What better place to have lunch? Look at that trailing behind
look
us
at
over
this.
here.
How beautiful is
Isn't
that?
that awesome? And then of course we have the trestle to the right of us.
And the larch trees all around us. Even though it's raining, you can't get a better spot.
Rain or not, it's still awesome.
Yeah, and it was a quick, what are we going to have for lunch? So we passed Mac and went, that'll do. What are we having?
Home style chicken pot pie.
There we go. That's lunch. Chicken pot pie and coffee.
Yep, good stuff.
That was smooth.
I always feel like I'm opening a torture device thing, you know, in the movies. Every time you open that, it's like, hey, I'll make you talk. You know, that's like the smell of a good cup of hot coffee on a cold, rainy day. So good. Boy, is that hot. Damn.
Hey everyone. So we pulled down part of the KVR that we have never been down before.
Well, because we were never able to before.
Last time we were down here, there was a gate on it. So we were ready to walk. We didn't have to.
Yeah.
So we've never been to this trestle before. This is the Belleview trestle. It's one of the longest ones on the Kettle Valley Railway. So pretty cool. We're going to go check it out.
Yeah, let's do it. Well, they even tore down these things here.
Yeah.
People have been driving up here.
I see that.
Probably more side-by-sides and stuff, I think, though.
That's cool.
Such a big trestle, right?
Huge. Love the way it curves around the valley.
Awesome.
And it's, what did it say, 261 feet high?
Yeah, I think that's what it said.
And 790 feet long?
Yeah, I think it's the longest one on this portion of the KVR.
And this time of year is just gorgeous. Like, look at how beautiful that is. Look at all the larch trees. It is kind of a soggy, rainy day, but it's still beautiful.